Good day to all of our viewers on this channel. Nasala Priscilla Stella is my name, and back to this channel. We are heading forward with our journey of information literacy. So, as we began the research topic in this video, research topic to publish works. How can you process the idea from step-by-step process from idea to finding relevant sources? How can you find relevant sources to publish your work? How can you gain good information needed to accomplish a certain activity? Define your research topic. Clarify the question or problem you want to investigate. Of course, you have to first know which problem you have. Why do you need to research? Clarify that problem. If it's coursework, you need to know what's the question about. What is the coursework about? Break it into key concepts, main keywords. For example, you are told to find articles about global warming in Africa. Global warming would be a keyword. And as you go, we have topics here: impact of climate change on agriculture, concepts, climate change, agriculture effects, crop yield. You have to know why am I researching. Then develop a search strategy. As the previous video, one of the previous videos, we get to know why we need a search strategy and how you can go about it. Identify synonyms and relevant related terms for each concept. Choose search tools, databases. You need to choose where you want to get your information from. We have Scopus, Web of Science, library catalogs, Google Scholar. All those are relevant tools that you can get your information from. Construct search strings using Boolean operators in order to narrow down to the very important, relevant information you want. Set inclusive and exclusion criteria. Get language peer reviewed. Then, locate and evaluate published works. Search databases with your refined strings. Screen results, title and abstract relevance check. Access quality, peer review status, author credibility, and methodology. You need to know, is the information I'm getting relevant? Is it for the duration time I want it? Is it beyond the time I want it? You cannot get an article, for example, of 2003. You need articles. If you are in 2026, you need things close to that time duration, things relevant and of good authors. Organize findings. You need to save your PDFs. Your articles are downloaded. You need to make sure you've saved them. Use folders or relevance manager. You can use Mendeley. Very good search tool that organizes your articles or your PDFs from sources to your work. Take notes, and when you get sources and you get work from them, you need to take notes from whatever you've gotten. Cite properly. Text in citation. You can use APA, MLA, etc. to avoid plagiarism. Will be handled in a few videos, but in simple terms, to avoid not recognizing the authors. Iterate, refine topic or search if needed. Outcome, a solid foundation of published literature backing your research. You need to tell your people or tell your lecturer where your information has been gotten from. You cannot tell us climate in Uganda is so not good and you don't have a reference, you don't have a published literature backing up your research. So thank you so much. Tune in and thank you for following. Subscribe, like and comment, and endeavor to research topic to publish to work you want to publish. Thank you so much.